Hello and welcome to today's edition of What's the Fun? I'm Ethan Hertzfeld, live on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, joined today by Bob Wyckoff, Managing Director at Tweedy, Browne. Bob, thanks for joining me.
Thanks for having me, Ethan. It's such a privilege to be on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange.
Well, it's great to have you. Tell me what ETF we're going to be talking about today.
Yeah, our fund is a fully transparent, actively managed global equity ETF called the Tweedy Browne Insider Plus Value ETF, NYSE symbol COPY, copy.
Awesome. Can you tell me more about the strategy that Copy follows?
Our fund targets investments in publicly traded and undervalued equity securities all over the world, where knowledgeable corporate insiders at the companies are actively purchasing shares in their own companies in the public market at prices which indicate that they are undervalued. Empirical studies, including our own proprietary study, have identified a significant return advantage associated with coattailing insiders when they're purchasing their own shares and the shares are undervalued. What in essence we're trying to do is exploit what we often refer to as the insider's edge. And that's the unique perspective that a corporate insider, the unique perspective the corporate insider has about his company's future prospects. Just think, Ethan, corporate insiders live, eat, and breathe their companies day in and day out. They have information about their companies that no one else has. Even the best Wall Street analysts don't have the information they have. So it makes sense that we should perhaps pay attention to what they're doing with their own money. And at the end of the day, a corporate insider decides to dig into his pocket and spend money on his own company's shares. He only does that with the idea that the share price is going up. Our fund is designed to take advantage of that insider signal, and we know of no other fund out there that's doing what we're doing.
That sounds really unique. Where can somebody go if they want to learn more about Copy?
So I think to our website, Ethan, www.tweedyetfs.com.
Awesome. Well, thank you for joining me, and it's a pleasure having you. And thank you for joining us today on this edition of What's the Fun?